Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mpo Messenger. I am back with another video. So today I am doing a Takealot online unboxing and slash review. So yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and leave comments down below. Share and share so that we get new service. And to my regular thank you honey for sticking by, and to my new subscribers, welcome to the family. Yeah, I hope you like it here. You will like it here. Okay, so yeah, let's get into the video. So I've purchased 3 times on Takealot just to check if they are the real deal, and honey, they are the real deal. So yeah, so Takealot is an online store, a convenient online store, since we are still in the middle of a pandemic and we cannot go, we avoid places where there are a lot of people. So Takealot is convenient, it has always been there, but at such times it is extra convenient. So it sells a lot of things, from makeup to gym stuff to alcohol to food to everything. I don't know what Takealot doesn't sell at this point. I don't know. Cell phones, cameras, tripods, books, you name it. It sells a lot of things. It sells a lot of things. So yeah, so I've purchased through Takealot, and I get a lot of questions on what happens, how's the service delivery, the quality, because there's a lot of misconception that Takealot sells second-hand things, and no, it sells brand new items. So I downloaded the app, Takealot app, on Play Store and created an account via the app and just my address information, and that's it. And then you search whatever you want on it. So I bought books, so I went to the search engine, typed in the author and saw his books on there, and there's also and saw his books on there. So yeah, and then saw which books that I wanted to purchase. And the nice thing about Takealot, it always has a discount or a sale, like from 10% to 75%. Like, I mean, everything that I've bought on Takealot, it was on discount or on sale. I kid you not. So yeah, and I bought books. So with books, there's a normal book, there's a mini version book, there's an ebook, there's a transcript or a manuscript of the book. And the main thing on Takealot is, let's say for instance you want to buy a waist trainer. Typical example, yes, let's say you want to buy a waist trainer, you have to check that different, probably in waist training there's maybe hundreds of waist trainers on the app, and then you have to check the rating from 1 star to 5 star. So you have to check your waist trainer, it's on what rate. Probably it's 4.5, it's good. 5, it's good. 1, it's bad, don't go there. And also check reviews on the people who have bought the item, on what do they have to say about the quality and yeah, the durability, the wearing of whatever you will be purchasing. So reviews are a lot important, because a product can be 4.5 star rated, you go to your reviews and the reviews are saying this is trash. A majority of the buyers say it is trash. So if it's trash, guys, don't waste your money, it is trash. Okay, ever since I've discovered Takealot, I've been spending my money there. Yeah, I know. So yeah guys, that's it. So I bought stuff, I can unbox for you guys in case you want to see how it looks like. So this is how the packaging looks like. I cannot show this side because it's my information, my address, my everything, and I don't want to be stalked out here. So this is how the packaging looks like, and it's written Take a lot. So yeah, and let's so this is how it looks like. It's very sealed. I love how they protect their package. Very sealed. Very sealed. I love it. So I bought 4 books. Is it 4? Yes. Also bought a lip liner. So this is the lip liner. It's an Essence soft and precise lip liner, and you can sharpen it. I've been obsessed with Essence as of late, and this was 25 and I was like, I have nothing to use. I have nothing to use. And then these are the books that I bought. I've been loving having books. So the first book that I bought is Manual of Warrior of Light by Paulo Coelho. I've been loving this author ever since I bought The Alchemist. I want every book written by him. Like, he writes so well, simple English, writes so well, immaculately written books that keep you captivated. Like, I read The Alchemist and I couldn't put it down. And I just had to tell myself, you need to sleep, you have to go to work. That's when I had to put the book down. That's when I had to put it down, because it's so well written. I have never ever read a book that is so immaculately written. It's amazing. So I had to get more books from him. I also bought Manuscripts Found in Accra by Paulo Coelho. Guys, I heard about this book from Hulisani. I forgot the surname, but you know Hulisani. Who doesn't know Hulisani? So I had to buy this book. The author is amazing, and this is a small book, really, and I'm gonna finish it probably in 2 days if I read it all. Like, this books give me goosebumps every time I think of it. It gives me goosebumps, and I ask myself, am I ready to read this book? Am I really ready? But you can never be ready, child. And I also bought this. Oh, this was it doesn't even have the thing. This was 205. Yes, this was 205. This was 130, 129. Yeah, 130, 130. This was 205 rand, the book, and that's the original price. I'm not sure no, this was not on sale, but this was on sale. And I also bought this was also on sale. Richard Branson, it's Screw It, Lessons of Life. Screw it, let's do it. It's the lessons of life. So yeah, I just thought, let me just buy this. Never heard of a recommendation of this book, but I just thought, let me just, why not? It was 65 rand. Like, that's a steal, that's a bargain. So I had to get one of these, and it's a tiny book. Probably in a day I'll be done reading it. So I love me some good books. And another exciting book is this, The 4 Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. Was it Ruiz? Ooh, probably I'm butchering their name, sorry. Everyone in there, okay, not everyone, but the most influential people have been talking about this book, and I had to get my hands on it. So yeah, I am so excited. So that's it, guys, for my Takealot haul review unboxing. So yeah, I hope this video was informative and it will help you with your online shopping on Takealot. And if you have any questions regarding Takealot online shopping, leave them on the comment section. Like the video and share. Love you guys.